Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. All right, today, what I am doing is I'm going to buy one or two parts for the internal part of the van, which is the engine compartment. So I'm going to get the PCV valve, pressure control valve, for the oil and gas airflow mixture, thingy bobber. And I'm going to get some vacuum seals. So hopefully the engine will run even better. It's beginning to run like, it's better than new. I mean, pretty much, because I put upgraded parts on just about every part of the van. And I was at the doctor's office today, and they were telling me that at nighttime here, and with the gusts from South Dakota and all the upper states, it gets like 15 below zero, and that is friggin' cold. So I want to be all prepared and have my vehicle all prepared. I wasn't aware until Shelly told me yesterday that it gets that cold, and if that's the case, then I definitely want to have my van repaired. Not repaired, but modified. So that means if I have to get a newer battery, and a better battery, an alternator and all that stuff, then that's what I'm going to do. But for today, PCV valve and also the vacuum seals and hoses. We're going to hit Grandma's house and eat some bacon sandwiches. BLTs, but I don't like tomatoes, so I won't be having the BLTs. I'll be having the BL. And do you know that Iowa and places like that, they sell liquor and alcohol inside the Walmarts? I'm not just talking about, Mike's Hard Lemonades. I'm talking about vodka and stuff like that, whiskey. And remarkably, you see most of the panhandles outside of the Walmart. Let me show you guys something. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. If we were in Kentucky, that would be a huge no-no.